Alright guys, so now let's do the top cargo and also the third brake light. So as you guys can tell, it already has LEDs on the cargo lights. This customer brought this in. They're just not happy with the results. They're not that bright. They look white. They looks modern compared to if it would have been a regular incandescent T15, but they're just not bright. The customer's not happy. And they also mentioned that the passenger, this one right here, has a flicker to it. I saw it right when we turned them on. It went away, but hopefully right now throughout this video you guys can see it. We're gonna leave the power flowing, so hopefully that occurs and you guys can see that particular flicker. Again, this is a month-old LEDs from a different brand, different manufacturer. And we're gonna do an upgrade and just put our bulbs. We're gonna be installing our L-T15 for the cargo and our L-T15R for the third brake light. This comes with two bulbs. The third brake light only takes one, so you gotta keep one as a spare. We don't sell individuals, so you just have one as a spare. In the near future, 4 or 10 years from now, need a replacement, you'll have one there. So let's remove this real fast. Just you get your Torx bit, T15, and remove this out. There's gonna be 2 screws. Not a lot of pressure, so just remove that. They come off fairly easy. Once you have that, I like to screw from the bottom, press up, pull out. Right now, you just simply turn it counterclockwise on the cargo. And these are not that hot, so just remove them. Just fill their halogens. I recommend wear gloves. This is the one they were mentioning was flickering. As you guys can tell, this is why it was flickering. One chip is out. The camera probably won't show, but this chip here is out and the rest are. So sometimes when you press these, there you go, I'll show you right here. So sometimes when you press these with something, they'll come on. So that's the flicker they're getting. There you go, they just shorted out. Bulb was just ready to die. And again, we're talking about a month-old LED, already needing replacements. With Lasfit, we give a 30,000 hour rating on all of our LED chips. So they tend to last a very long time. And then we also have warranty for up to a whole year. If any defects happens within the year, we could get it replaced as many times, which hopefully only once. We don't expect the LEDs to go out that fast. But whatever the case is, we'll replace it. Our T15s on the L series, any way you plug them in, they will turn on. So you don't have to check them on the polarities. They just will come on anyway. I'll show that right now. I'll plug it in this way, they're on. Unplug, rotate 180, reconnect. Comes on. So just showing you guys, there you go, that these come on any way you plug them in. Once you plug them in, you turn clockwise and you're done. The last thing will be the cargo light. Sometimes you may want to unplug this. There's a little clip here. You can remove this clip and this will slide out. It'll give you better access to the bulb. So just turn counterclockwise. This one's tight. Probably has never came out. There we go. Comes out. So for this, we're using again our L-T15R, which is a red color. You guys can tell, US brand, 1-year warranty. Stuff you want to see that Lasfit is offering. And again, any way you plug them in, they will come on. So we're just gonna plug it in and we're just gonna reconnect. This one tends to go in the middle, but I'm gonna leave it just right on top. Or, you know what? I'll follow the same steps that came installed. It ran right through here. This overlap, and there you go. Now it's tight. Put this back in. Great, so once that one's in, just simply slide this in here. You're done. Reconnect. These two will come on. This only comes on the third brake light when you're actually stepping on the brake. So right now, I'm gonna put it back together. I'm gonna step on the brake. You know what, I'm gonna put the screws in just because I know for sure this is working. Our defect rate is very low. So that's how much I trust these products that we know for sure they will work. So I'm gonna put this real fast. I'm gonna go down and I'll step on the brake and you guys will see. And when I do this, I like to press in. So there's a gasket seal that's right between this third brake light and the actual body of the truck. That prevents any water from going in. So always press in and turn. That just make sure that no water goes in here afterwards and again into your dash. So let me connect that real fast, turn on, and we'll get this tested. All right guys, so right now I'm gonna step on the brake. You guys can see if it comes on. As you can tell from the top, it is red and bulb is on. So people will definitely be seeing you when you step on that brake right on top. It's a lot brighter compared to your factory halogens. And then these right here are the cargo lights. Cargo, third brake light. All right guys, so now we're gonna do the reverse light. Funny thing, look, hopefully the camera can catch that. There's a flicker in there. One of the chips is going out. So again, we're talking about a month-old LEDs from a different manufacturer and they're going out that fast. Here, I'm gonna take the housing out real fast. Hopefully you guys can catch that. We already took off the bottom one. Let's take off this top one. So it's 2 screws that you need to do. Once you remove them, the whole housing comes out. Always like to hit her here on the side. Pops off that easy. And the middle one will be your third brake light. Your reverse light. So one of these guys was flickering. I'm not sure which one was doing it, but let's see. Let's find out one more time. There you go. This is that one. So if you guys like a strobe effect, buy other manufacturers' LEDs that they go out and strobe on you. We're not about that, so let's put our bulb in here. We already did the passenger side. We're gonna be doing the driver's side now. With the same concept for install, just 2 screws and it comes out. We're gonna be installing our L-T15. Let me press the button to unlock the vehicle so they come on. Right now the reverse should be on. And let's plug it in. All right, that's all the way in. Simply when you plug it in, it goes in guide and you turn clockwise. Done. From there, just simply go back in the housing, like so. We're gonna put the 2 screws on the side. I just dropped that one. And then of course you're gonna do your T15 and just retying it. You do that to both of them and you're done with the install. Very simple, you guys will be done within 5 minutes, 10 minutes at most for both sides. All right guys, so now we're gonna do the license plate. As you guys know, we've done hundreds and not thousands of installs for license plate throughout different vehicles, mostly trucks. It's always the same concept on pickup trucks. It's always from underneath the bumper, of course. Most of them tend to have steel. Luckily this one, it has a tow package, but it's still very easy to get to the bulb. So I don't have to go underneath, this is all feel. I feel the connector. I'm gonna turn counterclockwise, so you guys will probably see this move. And I pop out. That's the bulb. You can't really tell, but these bulbs are not bright. Let me remove this out. This is whatever this is. This is like technology from the early, I would say like from 2010, 2013, around that era is when these came out. I remember seeing those. It was one of the first ones. Apparently people still sell those, but let's install our T10 bulb in here. Let me look at the connector. All right. Press in. All right. You guys can tell that's a lot brighter. I'm gonna plug it in right now, and then I want you guys to see the license plate. Look at this side that has the other manufacturer's LED, and then look at the driver's side, and you tell us which one is brighter. Hopefully, this could help. Just the Lasfit overpowers it by a lot. All right, so let's do the other side real fast. Again, this is probably the easiest install. On this truck, they made it super simple. Move the bulb, get the Lasfit T10. I can't see anything, but here we go. Press in, and go in guide, turn in. That's simple, a lot brighter. You guys will definitely be, you don't have to worry about law enforcement pulling you guys over. They will definitely be seeing your license plates.